Thinking about buying your first home while boosting your retirement savings? The Lifetime ISA is one of the most powerful and misunderstood accounts in the UK. Today in breaking down exactly how it works, the pros, the cons, and whether it's right for you. What is a Lifetime ISA? A Lifetime ISA or LISA is a government-backed savings or investment account designed for two things. Buying your first home or saving for retirement. You can put in up to £4,000 per tax year. And the government adds a 25% bonus. So if you put in £4,000, you get £1,000 free every year. How it works? You must be 18 to 39 to open one. You can keep contributing until age 50. You can use the money for buying your first home up to £450,000 or accessing it at age 60 for retirement. If you withdraw for anything else, you pay a 25% penalty, which actually costs you more than the bonus you received. The pros. Let's start with the good stuff. Pro 1. Free 25% bonus. This is one of the highest guaranteed returns available to UK savers. Pro 2. Great for first-time buyers. If your property is under £450,000, the LISA can shave years off your deposit timeline. Pro 3. Can be cash or stock shares. You choose between stability or long-term growth. Pro 4. Tax-free growth. Just like a normal ISA, all gains and interest are tax-free. Pro 5. Works alongside other ISAs. The LISA has its own £4,000 limit inside the £20,000 ISA allowance. Now the downsides, because the LISA isn't perfect. Con 1. The withdrawal penalty. If you take money out early, you lose more than the bonus. For example, deposit £1,000, get £250 bonus. Withdraw early, you get hit with a £312.50 penalty. Con 2. The £450,000 property limit. In some UK cities, especially London, this can be restrictive. Con 3. Locked until 60 for retirement. If you're not buying a home, your money is tied up for decades. Con 4. Age restrictions. You can't open one after 39, and you can't contribute after 50. Con 5. Not ideal for short-term savings because of the penalty. It's not a flexible emergency fund. Who is a Lifetime ISA good for? A Lifetime ISA is ideal if you're first-time buying. Your target property is under £450,000. You want a long-term retirement boost, or you won't need the money early. It's less ideal if you need flexibility. You're unsure about buying a home. You might need the money before age 60. The Lifetime ISA can be a game changer, but only if you use it correctly. If you want more simple investing breakdowns, hit subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for outreach.